Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey there.
Hi, everybody. You guys didn't want to say that? Okay. We'll just keep going.
Hi.
That's our reading today.
All right. Let's move on. So, sharing today, what is your favorite May-Do activity so far? So you guys have lots to choose from between all your specialist teachers and your science and social studies. So pick one and respond in Seesaw what your favorite one is so far and why. Activity, get a piece of paper and a pencil. Try to write your name with your less dominant hand. Was it easy or difficult? So if you're right-handed, try writing your name with your left hand and see how that goes. All right. Anything else?
No.
Sounds great.
Oh, I gotta do the next page here.
Hey there.
You can tell it's Friday. Huh?
All right. So today is Friday, May 8th. And we're going to quickly talk about our matrix mix-up that we had this week. So during some of the copying process, something happened. Not everybody got all pieces of their matrix or their packets or whatever. So we are going to try to, for math, I'm going to put a video on there for you, and then we would like you to complete the activity section below. We're going to snip the pages. And then if you don't have a matrix, you can do them on there. If you prefer to do them on Seesaw, you can do them on there too. It doesn't matter. But each day we'll have a little video that explains the concept of the day. And then below it in the activity section, we'll have the worksheet that you were supposed to do anyway. So you can just do it right on Seesaw and submit it to us that way. So hopefully that'll help with all the math packet mix-ups. So just check Seesaw. If you have any questions about that, let us know and we will help you figure it out, okay? Reading,
Can
Mrs.
I
Williams.
jump in real quick for reading?
Yeah.
Okay, so for reading, as just like before, so there's going to be the recordings of each chapter, so you can still listen with the chapters. You can read along with it or read on your own. And then, for example, today when you do your reflection questions, I'm not going to copy all those pages. There's a lot on there. We're going to just post a couple questions that you can reflect to or reflect on, and just post those. But if you have your packet, please complete those questions.
Perfect. All right. Anything else, Mrs. Schwinn, you want to add?
No, I just don't stress about it. I mean, this mix-up is, it's kind of confusing, but don't stress about it. Just do what you can do. Ask us questions, and we'll just try to get through it the best we can. So, that's it.
Perfect. So next week, we will try to get together another Zoom. So it was great to see. We had quite a good turnout last time, at least half of us, maybe a little bit more than half. So hopefully a few more of you can jump onto the Zoom that we do next week, and we'll get to see our friends again. So keep watching these morning announcements as well as emails, and we will let you know that date and time when we get that figured out. There is still the free lunch and breakfast available at Nevlin for pickup every day from 11:30 to 12:30. And then also here are our phone numbers, email addresses, the remind texts, and different ways to get a hold of us. It's been awesome that some of you have really been utilizing that to ask us questions. So keep doing that. We've got a few weeks left of this distance learning journey, and we are here to help you. So feel free to contact us at any time.
Perfect. All right, on to this week's matrix.
All right, so just like I said for reading, it's chapters 17 and 18 today. So everything on your matrices now is 100% correct for reading. So we're current. So everything that you see on there is what your assignments are. So read chapters 17 and 18 for today, and then find the comprehension questions. I think it's the very first page of your new packet, and it covers chapters 16, 17, and 18. So if you have your packet, do that. If you don't by chance have your packet, then again, I'll post a couple reflection questions for you to respond to in Seesaw.
All right, for math this week, remember we're on week 6, so make sure you're doing week 6, day 4. The day 4 is the addition and subtraction word problems. So we will, again, post those on Seesaw. So if you didn't get a math packet or if you're missing day 4, go ahead and hop onto Seesaw and you can do it on there. Or else, if you don't have technology for the day or later on today, not a big deal. Just practice some math facts or, you write down some problems that you think of in your head and work those out. Okay.
We were talking earlier too, Mrs. Schwartz. Another thing to do if you don't have access to some of these things, you have your workbooks now. You should have your workbooks.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, just work out some problems in there that we left off with. That'd be another great practice. I know I'm doing that with my son. We're just kind of looking through some problems in the workbook. So
Awesome.
another good
idea.
resource for you to use. Yeah.
For sure.
Good. Okay, and then Prodigy Day. Oh, fun.
Oh, whoops.
Everybody loves Prodigy.
Woo woo, Friday.
May news. Today is a social studies day. It's actually two little activities. So you're going to read about the West region of the United States, and that should be in your packet. Hopefully that's not a mix-up. I did see them in there. So, and then complete the study guide that goes with it for the West region of the United States. So you have all today and this weekend to kind of finish that, and you can post it on Seesaw and show us if you'd like to, or email it to us if you'd like to. For social emotional, for Mrs. Noterman, squeeze all your muscles tight, then release. Repeat 5 times and breathe. And then for music, for Mrs. Tharp, tell someone an instrument you want to play and why. And then for Phi Ed, for Mr. Claire, juggle, which I am terrible at. So I should probably do this today. Practice. But check out Nevlin YouTube for guidance from Mr. Claire. He has a video on there to help you with the juggling.
Perfect. Is this our first social studies?
It is.
It is, isn't it? Okay. Some of those readings are kind of hard, so maybe we can go on and read it too on Seesaw. If people need a little help with that, we can go on and read the different. There's only 4 different regions left, so we can do that.
Sounds good.
Yeah, because some of them are kind of hard words.
So look for those guys in your Seesaw. Look for our readings, our recorded readings, just like reading.
Perfect.
All right. And we're going to end with Mrs. Schwenn's teeth. Knock, knock, folks. Okay, knock, knock. Who's there? Diane. Diane who?
Oh, gosh.
Hey, Diane who? Anybody think, it's going to be there? I'm dying to see you, so open the door. Oh, my mom's name is Diane, so I have a picture of her there with Tommy Boy.
Oh, super cute.
And then these guys think this is hilarious, as do I. So get it?
I like
Diane. Yeah. All right. So now I know how to stop share. All right. So have a wonderful Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. Again, we apologize for all the matrix mix-up, but please don't stress about it. We'll figure it out. Just do the best you can and ask questions as needed. And have a great weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Yes, happy Mother's Day.
Absolutely.
Mothers.
All right.
All right.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.